Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making easy, delicious Nutella-filled yogurt pancakes. Let's begin. We will start by freezing blobs of Nutella on a cutting board that fits in a freezer. This doesn't have to be Nutella. It can be any chocolate hazelnut spread. I will leave a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Press where it says more. Please do not skip the ads so we can make some revenue. Freeze the Nutella until it is firm. Do not take it out until you are ready to use it. If you take it near where it's hot, it melts easily. Let's mix the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, sift in the flour. Add the sugar, salt, baking soda or bicarbonate of soda, and the baking powder. On another container, measure plain yogurt. Add the vegetable oil or melted butter, then add an egg. My egg came in 2 yolks. Add vanilla essence or extract. Mix well. A warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Stir to blend the dry ingredients. Mix the wet ingredients with the dry until only the lumps are left. Please avoid overmixing. A big shout out to my returning subscribers, my greatest supporters. Thank you so much for always being there. I cannot name you all in this short space, but I just want to say thank you. Because my batter was too thick, I added buttermilk, or use a little bit of milk, otherwise it is optional. Cover the batter and let it set in the fridge for 30 minutes at least. Melt the butter in a non-stick cooking pan, then add your batter. Level the batter but not flat, just to take the Nutella or carry the Nutella. Place the frozen Nutella on top of the batter. Add butter to cover the Nutella. Cover the pan with the lid to allow it to cook the top. Once the batter has bubbles and it moves freely, turn it over and tuck it in. The same will apply on the flip side. Once it moves freely, you may take it out, but this one needed a little bit of time to brown. Repeat the process of cooking until all the batter is finished. Do not shy away from adding buttermilk or milk until the consistency that you like. Please press the like button as a gesture of support and to populate this video, and comment below about your thoughts regarding this recipe. You may serve them hot without powdered sugar or dust them with powdered sugar once they are cool. They are tender and they are delicious. They melt in one's mouth. I hope you will enjoy these pancakes. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.